How to find your page support inbox on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find page support inbox easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it, and here click on those three lines up there, click on your page, and all you need to do is click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Now scroll down and you're gonna find page support inbox, and here you have your page support inbox. You're gonna find the list of this. There are no previous support requests for my page, and here you gonna find yours. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and also don't forget to like.